Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern La Crosse County, southwestern Jackson County, southeastern Trujillo County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Bend, or 17 miles north of La Crosse, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near North Bend around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Peacock Hill, Melrose, Severson Coulee, Mindoro, Stevenstown, Burr Oak, and Camp Erie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin, including Eau Claire, Menominee, and Chickasaw Falls.